Okay, so it's that one.
Come on, come on.
Should I go stand next to it maybe?
I don't know. It's a low jack.
I want this thing to speak to me.
Yeah, but
Hello. How do I be safe? Can you tell me anything? Any wisdom? Speaking Spanish?
Sayong DIBLASIO over there.
Yeah, DIBLASIO, I know you're in there. Somebody will stop there. Am I wearing my mask correctly? How many feet should I stay apart from everybody? In Spanish.
I'm sorry, that's funny.
I was talking before.
I know.
Tell me the wisdom of the ages, oh great one. What secrets do you hide? What is the meaning of life in the universe and all that is living? Where do I go when I die? Who should I vote for this November? I would vote for you, but you're not talking to me.
It's COVID.
Are you
A hoax?
COVID free? Are you on Facebook? Twitter? Hi. Are you worried I'm stealing anything?
There's the camera up there. Wave to the camera up there, love.
Oh, where's the camera?
Up there, up. Just on top. On top of the poles.
Oh.
Oops.
Hi. Speak to me. Come on, don't be a snob. I got feelings too. Come on. You were talking before, now you're all of a sudden all buttoned up. Wait, decide you're too good for me all of a sudden?
Yeah, my wife talks to inanimate
The feelings are
objects.
neutral, okay?
Are you done? Can we
Listen,
go now?
I don't need to be treated this way, okay? I pay taxes. And I'm sure that somehow my money bleeds into your funds somewhere. I know you're solar powered, but somebody surely paid to bill you. Show some respect.
Let's go. People are really gonna think you're nuts. You know that,
Would
right?
you like to hear a song?
Babe.
I have an album out. I have a CD out. I just released it. Would you like a copy? It's not for free.
Oh my god.
You got it. Pay. You're welcome
Yeah,
to listen
that
to it
lady
while you're
swiped
sitting there
one.
doing nothing.
Okay, let's go, love, please.